Kamusta kayo guys? Ito tayo't muli nagbabalik para sa isa na namang reaction video ni Jerome Ibardome. Ayan, bigla ko naisip paano kaya kung si Jerome Ibardome ay kumanta dun sa laban ni Manny Pacquiao at ni Floyd Mayweather, no? Grabe, talagang siguro ma-amaze ang lahat ng Pilipino sa boses ni Jerome Ibardome. Meron tayong nakitang video guys na ating i-react ngayon. Galing siya kay Powerplay TV. Ayan, panoorin natin to. Yung kanyang video about kay Jerome Bardome. Subscribe nyo rin guys yung kanyang channel, Powerplay TV. Napaka-solid ng mga
Powerplay
content.
TV.
What if I told you the next global Filipino superstar is one audition away from changing his life? What if the stage isn't in the Philippines, but on one of the biggest platforms in the world? And what if Jerome Evadome walks into the X Factor? Would the judges be shocked? Would the audience stand? Or would this be the moment that turns him into a global icon? But here's the real question. Does he actually have what it takes to survive that stage?
Marami talagang nag-aabang no, kay Jerome Bardome na sumali dito sa X Factor. Nasa kanya naman yung mga sangkap ng pagiging isang superstar, 'di ba? Pwede siya maging superstar dahil sa boses niya, ganda ng boses, na kagaya nung kay Elvis.
Today on Powerplay TV, we explore the possibility that could redefine his career and maybe bring Filipino talent back to the global spotlight. Stay with me, because this gets interesting. This video is a fan-made creation based purely on imagination and creative.
Parang may pagkakaparehas to dun sa isang nireact natin na video, yung kay PaceX TV. Parang ganito rin about sa posibilidad na pagsali ni Jerome Bardome sa X Factor.
Interpretation. The events, scenarios, and storyline presented are fictional and do not reflect real-life occurrences. As of this time, Jerome Evadome has not joined the X Factor, and this content should not be taken as factual or official information. This video is created for entertainment and documentary-style purposes.
Ayan guys, paalala lang ha sa mga bago pa lang na nakapanood dito kay Jerome Bardome, hindi pa po siya sumasali sa X Factor. Bali ito ano pa lang, what if? Ayan, sabi nga ng content creator na to.
Only, inspired by the possibilities and potential of the artist. Fellow content creators are welcome to use portions of this video for commentary, reaction, or fair use purposes. However, re-uploading or reproducing the video in full, without permission, is strictly discouraged. Please respect the originality and effort behind this content by using only.
Tama. Sa mga content creator guys, ayan, wag niyong re-upload yung mga video ng mga content creator, YouTuber, dahil napaka bawal talaga sa YouTube, sa guideline. Yan, gawin yung na lang, transform nyo sa kagaya nito, reaction video. Yan, para mas safe, mas legal sa YouTube.
Selected clips with proper credit. Thank you for your understanding and support. So let's begin this.
Powerplay TV.
The X Factor is not just another singing contest. It is a battlefield of dreams.
It's time to try defying gravity. I think I'll
Si Eliza din ang pinapakita dito, tsaka si Pomoy. Halos parehas nga sila ng video ni PaceX TV.
try defying gravity.
Created by Simon Cowell, the X Factor became a global phenomenon. It has launched international artists and created unforgettable moments in music history. But behind the global success of this show, there is a pattern the world has started to notice.
No, meron palang sumali din na girl group. Parang napanood ko rin to dati, hindi ko lang matandaan yung pangalan ng grupo nila. Pero to, ang tataas ng boses eh. Yung magkakapatid na babae.
Time and time again, one country continues to rise on international stage, the Philippines. Filipino artists have become known for something very specific, powerful voices.
Yan si Marcelito Pomoy. Sayang di siya nanalo.
Emotional performances.
Tell them all
Yan si Eliza.
defying
Napakaganda rin ang boses nito,
Kiss
guys.
me goodbye, I'm defying gravity. And you
Taas ng boses, no? Diba? Yun yata yung nanay niya, oh. Naiyak.
can pull
Proud na proud.
me down.
And an undeniable connection with the audience.
Yun si si Jessica Sanchez, no? Parang nung huling contest, bumalik yata si Jessica Sanchez at nanalo siya uli. Parang sa siya American Idol, no? Nanalo.
These beautiful things that I've got, please
Sumali din pala siya sa X Factor.
don't need your cry.
When they step onto the
Ganda ng
stage,
boses.
they don't just sing, they perform with heart. One of the most remarkable Filipino performers to gain international attention is Marcelito Pomoy.
Totoo yun, pag ang Pinoy ang kumakanta talagang may puso, no? Kahit sa simpleng lang, yung video, okay, mararamdaman mo. Hindi lang sila basta kumakanta.
Known for his
Emosyon
rare
nandun.
ability to sing both male and female voices, he captured global audiences with something truly unique.
I pray you'll be alright.
That's his voice?
Watch us where we go.
Dami nagulat sa boses ni Pomoy, Boses babae. Si Lindy yun.
And help us to be one.
Wow.
His performances were not just impressive, they were unforgettable. The moment he began to sing, the audience was confused.
Ano na kaya update kay Pomoy? Parang hindi ko na siya nakikita, no? Na yung mga bagong upload niya. Kung ano ng balita sa kanyang singing career.
In the best way possible. A male voice, then suddenly, a female voice.
Guide us with your grace.
Yan yung sinasabi nating doble cara na boses. Dati meron niyang show, no? Sa isang TV station dito sa atin. Doble cara.
The judges were stunned.
Nandun yung asawa ni Pomoy. Kasama
The
niya.
crowd erupted. And in that moment, the world witnessed something rare, not just talent, but originality. And that's what makes performers stand out on global stages like the X Factor. Not just how well you sing,
Marami talagang Pinoy na magagaling na singer. Kahit saan ka pumunta, kahit saan lugar, talagang maraming mga mahilig kumanta na Pinoy at napaka-unique at magaganda yung boses.
but how different you are.
Meron din nagsasabi sa comment section na kaya daw hindi nanalo to si Pomoy, si Simon daw. Parang ayaw niyang may manalong Pinoy, no? Parang siya. Hindi ko alam kung against ba siya sa Asian o ano. Parang mas believe siya sa ibang lahi.
But even with all that talent, the journey is never easy. Competitions like the X Factor are unpredictable.
Nung time na to, paborito si si Pomoy ng crowd Pero hindi pa rin siya nanalo.
Every performance is a risk. Every round is a test. And even the most unique performers can fall short.
Tsaka yung isa pa yung bansag sa kanya si Bunot. Napakagaling na singer nun Ang boses niya Michael Bolton. Hindi
Because
ko lang sure kung sa X Factor ba siya sumali o sa American Idol. Basta sumali siya eh. Sa contest na gaya nito.
this stage doesn't just test your voice, it tests your adaptability, your confidence, your identity as an artist.
Ito yung ano, yung magagaling na magkakapatid. Girl group. Puro diba. Yung boses nilang tataas.
1 week, you shine. The next week, you must prove yourself all over again.
Prepared to you, you need a good, gotta win.
Ayun, Port Power pala, guys. Yung kanilang grupo.
Oh, your mind, yeah. Go! Bang, get to the floor. I know you wanna bang, bang, all over you.
Gagaling din la sumayaw, no?
We've seen the pattern.
Full
We've seen
package.
Filipino talent rise and prove itself on the global stage. Voices that shocked the world, performances
Ito yung sumali sa The Voice Kids. Trio sila. Pero ngayon, mga ano na to eh. Malalaking bata. Hindi na sila bata, binata na. Pati yung boses nila nagbago na eh. Malaki na yung boses.
that made history, moments that inspired millions.
You got
Pagbata kasi, mas mataas yung boses eh. Mas matinis.
Power Play TV.
But every generation needs a new name, a new identity, new contender, ready to face the biggest stage of all. And now, the question
Halos parehas talaga sila ng video na nirock natin nakaraan kay SpaceX TV. Yan, sino kaya nauna na gumawa nitong video na to? At, pero yung kay SpaceX TV, ano rin kasi, may pagka-reaction video rin.
is no longer about the past, it's about the present. What if the next Filipino artist to step onto the X Factor is someone we already know? Someone with power, someone with presence, someone whose voice carries both nostalgia and impact.
Ayan na nga si Jeremy Bardome.
What if
Elvis Presley.
that name
Pinas.
is Jerome Everdome?
Pinoy Elvis.
But the X Factor doesn't reward familiarity, it rewards evolution. So now, the real question begins. Can Jerome Everdome step beyond influence and become something original? Can he adapt, compete,
Maganda
and
naman.
survive?
Maganda naman yung boses ni Jerome eh, yung original voice niya. Pag kumakanta siya ng mga hindi kanta ni Elvis, maririnig mo maganda talaga yung boses niya.
On a stage where the world is watching. Now, imagine this. Jerome Everdome steps onto that stage. He smiles. He says,
I'm Jerome Everdome from the Republic of the Philippines.
Kung yung kanta na yan ay pang-audition niya, talagang panigurado pasok siya, no? Napakaganda nitong kanta na to eh. Bagay na bagay talaga sa boses niya.
Only fools rush in. Give me one more chance to
Ito rin, pwede rin, di ba? Halos lahat ng kanta ni Elvis naman eh. Bagay sa boss ni Jerome. Kasi nga Elvis nga yung timbre ng boses niya.
keep you satisfied. Oh, let the band keep playing. Oh, while we are swaying. The old hometown looks the
Buo yung
same.
boses, no? Yung vibrato niya, buong buo. Tsaka sabi niya dun sa interview niya, ang gusto niya raw sa style ng boses ni Elvis, parang unpredictable. Kasi paiba-iba yung genre ng kinakanta ni Elvis.
So I stepped down from the train.
immediately expectations rise. Because when a Filipino singer holds a microphone, the world listens. But this time, it's not just about representing a country, it's about proving he belongs among the best. One judge whispered,
Ako naniniwala talaga ako, ano yan, deserve ni Jerome na makilala, 'di ba? Sa buong mundo, yung kanyang talent, mai-share niya.
That's not just a singer, that's a performer. But then comes the real test. Simon Cowell leans forward. He says, Jerome, you can sing, but do you have the X factor?
Yan yung madalas sinasabi ni Simon eh. Talaga naghahanap siya ng parang butas para malaglag no yung isang contestant.
Silence. This is the moment that defines careers. Unlike other competitions, the X Factor looks for marketability, branding, personality, star power. It's not always the best vocalist you
Kompleto si Jerome nun. Yung mga hinahanap sa isang magaling na singer.
wins. It's the
Performer.
one who connects with millions. Imagine Jerome reaching the live shows. Now he must perform different genres, pop,
I found a girl for me.
O di ba? Kahit sa kanta ni Ed Sheeran talagang nangingibabaw yung ganda ng boses ni Jerome Bardome. Bilang pang Elvis.
Style right, follow my lead.
ballads,
Now the end is near, and so I face, and I stood tall and didn't know.
Tsaka natutuwa ako kay Jerome pagka bumibirit siya, yung mga kanta ni Elvis na may birit. Grabe, talagang mataas din yung boses niya kahit medyo malaki yung boses niya pero mataas yung reach.
rock,
He knocked me down, sat on my face, slammed.
Ayun, medyo bitin yung video. Ayan guys, isa na namang makabuluhang video yung ating napanood mula kay Jerome Bardome. At mag-subscribe na rin kayo sa channel na pinanggalingan nito. Ayan, pinlash natin sa ating screen kanina nung umpisa. At kung mahilig kayo sa mga ganitong klase reaction video, mag-subscribe na rin kayo sa ating munting channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pa nating ire-react na video ni Jerome Bardome, ang Elvis Presley ng Pinas. Kita-kits ulit tayo sa mga susunod pang reaction video.